Hi there beautiful people, welcome back to another video and welcome to my channel if you're new. Hi, my name is Femke and for today's video it will be a quick and snappy one because I will be swatching and talking about the Essence Transforming Top Coat. So there are 4 new ones in total. So one is holographic, or at least they say it's holographic. One is super glittery, one has like a gritty sand effect, which is very nice shimmery glittery as well. And the 4th and final one is a so-called donut glaze chrome effect. So yeah, I will be swatching those on top of my recent manicure that I actually shared with you in last week's video. So if you want to check that out, you can definitely do so after you're done watching this video. So this first one is called Metaglow. It's supposedly a holographic one. I don't really see a lot of holographic stuff going on in here other than a lot of shimmer. It's more of like a multi-chrome shimmery kind of polish. I don't really see the holographicness in here, to be honest, but it is definitely one of my favorites from these 4. It's really beautiful. I can't wait to actually apply this one on top of a black just to see what it looks like, because I think it will be beautiful, kind of like galaxy like, I guess. But yeah, it's really gorgeous, and I'm just applying it on my thumb as well as on my pointer finger because you guys love to see me swatching on my nails, like on more nails, like multiple ones and on one hand as well, so you can actually see all the different shades or finishes next to each other to get a really good comparison. But yeah, this is definitely one of my favorites. It's not really holographic in my opinion, but it's very lovely shimmery and just, oh, it's really pretty. I really love it on top of this pink, but as I mentioned, it will look fabulous on top of a black as well. Then next up is actually the glitter effect one. This one is called Confetti Party. It definitely looks like confetti. There's a whole bunch of different sized and shapes glitter in here, mostly kind of like rose gold, peachy gold, like a soft gold kind of one, but there are also some blue ones and a little bit of like a slight copper. I do love the bigger chunkier glitter. To be honest, you do need an additional layer of top coat to really seal in those glitters, because sometimes the bigger the glitter, the more it pokes off of the nail, if you know what I mean. It kind of like lifts up from the nail and it can kind of like poke up, be scratchy, stuff like that. We don't want that. We want a smooth manicure. So definitely apply a good thick like gel like nail polish top coat on top after this coat is completely dry. The next one is also one of my favorites. I have to say, like, this, the first and this third one are my favorites. This one is called Sugar Touch, and it is one of those top coats that leaves a soft, like slight gritty kind of feel to the nail. I really love the shimmer in this. It's really gorgeous. It definitely reminds me of like a beachy, sandy kind of effect. This color combination on top of the pink, which is also an Essence polish by the way, really looks a lot like, I think it's called Princess something by Barry M, which is one of my favorite like gritty sandy kind of polishes, but this one has a really beautiful kind of like different colored glitter in here. It's just stunning. I love it so much. And then the 4th and final color that I will be showing in this video is Glazed Donut. They claim it is a chrome effect. I don't really feel like it's super chromy. It's more of like a pearlescent kind of nail polish, because if it would really represent chrome, like chrome powder, it wouldn't be as streaky as it actually is. So you really don't want to overwork this polish because it can be a little streaky and you can definitely see the brush strokes. This one is not really for me, but if you're into like a pearlescent kind of look, definitely go for it. It is actually decently pigmented, but still like it allows the base color to still peek through. But yeah, this was the entire new video. It's short and snappy. Let me know what you think about these polishes, these transforming top coats, how they're called. Essence is cruelty free, they are vegan, they are safe to use, and these go for I think €2 to €3 each, so they're really affordable affordable as well. They are like easy to get by. You can get them online or even at your local drugstore if you're in Europe. So yeah, I actually really like the Metaglow one and the Sugar Touch, but do let me know which one is your favorite and if you have some of these yourself. But thank you guys so much for watching. I love you so much and I hope to see you next time.